This is my country. We have no mountains like they have, and they don't feel like they are lucky. But look at this, what I got it here. This is the mountain of trust. You'll not believe it, but they are trust. What the hell? They are absolutely trust. Whatever. I'm still feeling happy to see this. That they are not the real mountain with snow, but they are mountain with trust. The mountain of trust. This is my country. I don't like it. And I wish it could be better, man. But no problem. I'm happy with this mountain. The mountain of trust. Oh, look what I got. There is a man. I'm feeling so weird because when I came here in 2012, it was just an empty place. Here was nothing. But look now, here there is so many trust, the mountain of trust. At least I am happy. I wanted to come here many days ago, but there wasn't any fog, and luckily today I got fog, so I just came out and taking some pictures. And I'm not happy with this country still, but I'm really feeling so good to see this trust mountain. What the hell? I want to go close.